Okay, today we're doing a screen replacement on an Aspire 1 D255E. On the bezel you will have two stickers here and here hiding screws to remove the bezel. So we're going to remove those first. Once you have those removed, take your fingertips and reach behind the bezel and loosen it. Work your way all the way around. Take that out. Your screen is held in by 4 screws here, 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 and here. Go ahead and take those out next. And when you take the screen away from the panel, pull it down and lay it right on the keyboard. You're going to remove the tape from your connector, and you're going to pull the connector straight out. And then you're going to get your new screen. I got this one from screencountry.com, and to install it we're just going to reverse the process. We're going to plug this in, and make sure that your plugs are pushed in all the way, and you always want to make sure to put tape back on it, some form of tape, because you don't want them to come loose. And we are going to set the screen back in place. We're going to replace the 4 screws holding the LCD screen. Now we're going to take the bezel and put it back on. You want to start at the bottom. Just sit the bottom in place. Now you want to make sure that your screw holes are lined up on the bottom holes where the screw goes before you push it in. Then you're going to go around the entire surface and make sure all the snaps snap together. Make sure that these clips snap into place. And we are going to take the last 2 screws from the bezel and put those back. Then you can take your stickers that were covering the screws and replace them, or just leave them off, it's your choice. And then, there you go. We have a working uncracked screen.